In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Teams link to every Outlook meeting. If you regularly schedule meetings in Outlook and want to make sure people can join online through Microsoft Teams, this is a simple process to know. We'll walk through creating a new meeting in Outlook and turning it into a Teams meeting before saving it, so the meeting link is included automatically. To begin, open Outlook and go to your calendar. This is where you manage your schedule and create meetings, so make sure you're in the calendar view before moving on. Once you're there, click on New Event. This opens the meeting creation window where you can enter all the basic information for the event. If Outlook shows you a few different creation options, choose Event to continue. That takes you into the standard event setup screen. Next, start filling in the meeting details. Add a clear title so attendees immediately understand what the meeting is about. Then include the attendees you want to invite. It's a good idea to double check the people you're adding at this stage, since they'll receive the invite along with the Teams link once the meeting is saved. After that, select your preferred time for the meeting. Choose the date and time that works best for your schedule. Pay attention to the time fields here, especially if you're coordinating with others, because this is what determines when the Teams meeting will be available to join. You may also notice the all-day option. Click on all day if needed. In many cases, this setting is just something you'll want to review so the meeting is configured correctly. For most standard meetings, you'll want to make sure the event reflects the actual scheduled time rather than an all-day block, so just confirm that this setting matches your intention. Now for the key part, click on Teams Meeting. This is what adds the Microsoft Teams joining information to the Outlook event. Once selected, Outlook will generate the online meeting link and attach it to the invitation automatically. This makes it easy for everyone to join from the calendar invite without needing a separate message or manual link. Finally, click Save. As soon as you save the event, Outlook will create the meeting and include the Teams link in the invite details for your attendees. That's it. From your Outlook calendar, you can create a new event, add your meeting details, enable Teams meeting, and save it so every invite includes a built-in Teams link. It's a quick way to make your meetings easier to join and more consistent for everyone involved.